History of Smartech Cables. In 2017, we started Smartech Cables to bring outdated industries to life. We have one goal: to provide all the customers with the joy of the fastest, reliable, low-voltage networking cables and accessories straight to your destination. We have dedicated customer service for your backup convenience. We provide best quality Ethernet cables in US. Just for your ease, we have come up with advanced Ethernet cables like Enhanced Category 5 cable, Cat6, and Cat6a at a reasonable price without compromising the quality and performance. High-quality cables at a low fraction of cost. Click the link below to shop now.